Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to play YouTube on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Okay, it's a simple thing. You just go to the YouTube app that already installed on your Fire TV stick and press on it, and it will bring you to the YouTube App Store, and you can place any video as you want. And another thing, you can play it from your phone. For example, now you are open the YouTube app in your mobile phone, and now just play a video, and then you will press on the video screen, and then you will see this button, and now you will see this is the Fire TV stick, so just press on it, and now you will see the phone is connected to the YouTube app, and it will play the same video, so you can press another video and press play, so you can use your phone as the remote control, and you also can search for another video, and then the video still playing on the TV screen. And when you place another video, so this you just use your phone as the remote to change the video of your TV stick. But please make sure that both phone and the TV stick are connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. And that is so simple like that. And that's all for today's video of how you can play the YouTube video in your Amazon Fire TV stick. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.